Yo, what's up, guys? What's good? Okay, let's get this party started. Let's get it started. Oh. All right, so I actually got into some trades last night, and let's see if we can't find some new trades. All right. Hmm. Ah, yeah, biting. Yeah, but slicer. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Hey, what's up, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, let's go ahead and start on gold. Let's start on the higher time frames, and let's just use this higher time frame as an example. How's the sound, guys, on YouTube? Just let me know how the sound is going on YouTube, guys. Okay, let me know how the sound is going. So yeah, let's use this as an example, okay? Like before we actually start analyzing and doing all these things that we love to do, let's just quickly look at gold. Somebody says I'm not audible. Somebody says I'm not audible. I'm not audible here on Instagram. Let's see here. Let's try zoom in. Let's try zoom in. Okay. So anyways, let me just see, guys. Okay, sound is good. Sound is good. Okay. So let's quickly look at this example here on gold, right? Okay, on I'm on the daily chart right now. Okay, and like I want you guys to notice some of the things that we need to see. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blue box to sort of indicate where I want the point where I'm focusing on. Okay, so as you guys can see, I want you guys to look at the price action. Okay, from where the blue marker is right now, you can see that the market has been rising like that. Okay, has been rising like that. You see where that price action is? It's been rising and rising and rising. Okay, so when you see this type of situation, all right, you can assume that the market, because this is like a trend. Okay, this is a trend. So you can assume that the market will continue to go up, right? So when you get a signal and then if it's supported by the price action like this, then this is what you want to it's what you want to see. Okay. So sometimes you get an opportunity where the market is moving sideways, like what I'm showing right now. You see here, the market wasn't really trending, it was moving sideways. So in this situation, it's not an ideal situation for you to be in. You want to see, or you want to get buy signals when the market is rising like that. Okay. Now, remember, guys, we have three things that we look for in order to, get a trade, right? So the first thing that you need to look at before you look at the trading signals, okay, you're going to look at the price, where the market currently is in relation to the 100 moving average, which is this one, okay? And then if you open a chart and the market is above the moving average, okay? If the price is on top of the moving average, then that will suggest to you that this is a bullish market. You guys see that right there. It's a bullish market. It means that it's a market that's rising or about to rise. Okay, so that's one of the signs, right? All right. I don't know what the hell. You're now live. Okay, you see what I'm saying, guys? Okay, so okay, my bad, guys. My bad. My bad. So that's one of the first things that you need to see. Okay, the market has to be above this white line, right? That indicates that this is a bullish market, right? It's a bullish market and the market is about to rise. Okay, the second thing is you look at the bottom meter at the bottom. If it's above 70%, then this validates the signal that we want to take. Okay, so now the market is above the 100 and it's above the 100 period moving average, and then our volatility meter at the bottom is above 70. Then now we can actually take the signal that's painted by the system, right? So in that case, if we were going to be trading on this chart, right, we'd first look at what's happening. Okay, so we can see that there was an initial buy signal that was painted, and then it hit TP1, and then now the price is in between TP1 and TP2. Okay, so when you go into this trade, right, you can't target TP1 because already it's been hit. So the next target that you're going to go for is TP2 right there, right? TP2. So if you enter this trade, your take profit is going to be TP2 and TP3 because those are the next available take profit levels, okay? And then we can use the stop loss that the system gave us, right? Very easy. All right. Just hold on, guys. I just want to close some of the trades I have, okay? So yeah, that's how we would deal with that situation, right? So now let's get into the analysis part, right? Let's get into the analysis part. So we're going to start with gold today. This is the daily chart. And as you guys can see on the daily chart, we do have a bullish signal, right? The next TP is TP2, right? If we go on to a smaller time frame, let's see if we can see anything interesting for now. Let me look at the H1 30 minutes. Okay, the H4 chart. Right, so Right now, we don't have a an entry. Let's just move on to let's move on to which markets, right? Let's move on to which market, guys? Which market? If there's something that you guys want me to analyze real quick, just type it in the chats, okay? Okay, let's look at France 40. Let's look at France 40. France 40. On the daily chart, is showing us a buy signal. These are actually good trades to take, guys. Okay. Let's analyze on the 1 hour, and let's also look at the 15-minute chart, right? Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. It's the New York session right now. It's the New York session right now. Let me just scan through some of these markets. Let's see. Scan through some of these markets. Hey guys, TikTok is showing me flames. Like each time I try to do like these sessions on TikTok, it doesn't allow me. I have no idea why. Okay, so we've got some trades, guys, on the indices. Like on the 15-minute chart, if you're trading the UK 100, there's a sell signal right there for you. France 40 on the 15-minute chart, there's a signal. But let's vet these trades, guys. Let's vet these trades. Okay, the UK 100, I think we can take that. The UK 100 is not a bad indice to take. France 40 is looking good, actually. Right. Let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100, the big boys. 15 minutes. What, look at my, what, I'm gonna do my stuff. Okay, let's go. Yes, 30. Okay, France 40 and UK 100 on 15. Okay, the UK 100 on the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute chart is giving us some signals. So we can actually take those. The others aren't really as clear as I'd like them to be. Let's look at silver. Silver's showing us a buy signal on the H4 and the H1. But remember, if you want to trade silver, you need to have a good balance because that retracement is crazy. That retracement is crazy, right? Okay, wait, let's keep looking. 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 Hey. Okay, the USD JPY on the H4 chart. I'm starting to think that the H4 chart is actually my favorite. But the reason is, okay, the reason for the H4 chart is the fact that I can just allow the trades to do its thing. You know what I mean? I can just open the trade, go about my day, right? So far, guys, 15-minute chart, we've got the UK 100, France 40, we've got silver, the H4, and then we've got USD JPY on the H4, right? Should I share the trades on the Telegram, guys? Let me know. Let me know if I should. Let's go. Okay, GBP USD. Euro GBP is also looking good. You know what? I'll also take Euro GBP. Okay. For now, I'm just scanning through the markets, guys. Right? I'm just scanning through the markets to see which is just vetting these trades. Because one thing that I've also noticed, like you can get, uh, markets which are trending better, right, on other pairs. Mhm. You can get markets that are trending much better on other pairs. Right, right, right. Okay, let's see. I know I'm going slow, guys, but it's deliberate, okay? Okay, Euro CAD is a trade that I would take. Let's keep it in our lunchbox. Um, honey, Euro CAD. Okay. Let's look at CAD JPY. I forgot to check, guys. What time is the news event? Real quick. Also, let me just check. Today's Wednesday. The FOMC is at 9. Okay. Which is good, which is good, which is good. It's very good. That's very good for us. Means that the market's gonna do its thing, right? Okay, let's go. GBP CAD. Okay, it's popping on the smaller time frame. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, moving on. So yesterday somebody got the trading system, and then we're looking at gold on the 15-minute chart, and then we took the trade on gold, which has been performing very, very well. I'm not gonna lie, and I probably wasn't gonna take the trade if we weren't analyzing at the time, but it was such a good setup that we got. You see, so yeah, I'm just looking around, guys, shopping around, shopping around. Yes, I'll also live stream on TikTok on Friday. I'll live stream on Friday on TikTok. Uh, yeah. Okay, guys, wait, hold on. Almost done, almost done. Right, I'm just literally scanning through the markets to see, and I'm also looking at the price action. Okay, um, I'm looking at what the price. I'll make an example with USD JPY. We'll come back to it, so you guys can have a better understanding of what else I'm looking for. Right. I'm just for now, I just want to scan through some of these markets to see if I am not missing anything, you know. Euros here's another trade right here. We're gonna take this one. We're gonna take this one. We are gonna take this. the euro to the South African rand. We're gonna take it. We are gonna take this. Okay. Let's see the peso. Something that I haven't traded in a long time is the dollar to the Mexican peso. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna take this. Okay, let me just look at one market and then we're gonna start with the executions. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. All right. So let's start with the execution. So I'm starting on the UK 100. Okay. But like before I open up the trade, guys, I want to show you guys something um, that I've mentioned, but it doesn't hurt to re-mention it. Okay. So I'm on the UK 100 on the 15-minute chart. This one doesn't really have a high pip value. Um, it's like SP 500, okay, but obviously you need to take it um, with proper risk management as well, okay? So let me show you a naked chart, right, of the UK 100, the UK 100. I just want to show you something else that gives me extra confidence when I'm trading. I'm just going to open up the UK 100 on the 15-minute chart, right? Look at that. You see this price action, guys. So like when I take a signal, right? The ones that I want are markets that like are in a clear trend, okay? Like where you can see the direction clearly. So I remove the indicator on this chart so you guys can see. So on the 15-minute chart, guys, you can see that we have a trading signal, right? So I like these type of signals where now the price action is clear. You see that the market has been dropping in a very clear fashion. You guys can see that. There's no doubt in your mind that the market is going down right there. You can actually see it, okay? And then, with our trading system, it's more refined. You can actually now see the levels where you can trade to. You guys see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, guys? Okay, so when I get a sell signal, I want there to be something like this. I want something like this to be visible, like this, a clear movement to the downside, right? A clear movement to the downside where you're not confused, right? You're not confused, like here, right? You guys see that this is the exact same chart, but with our trading system locked in, right? TP1's already hit. Now we're going for TP2, right? This is what I want. You guys see what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up a trade there, right? We're gonna go ahead and open up a trade there. And then TP levels, I mean, we can use TP2, but I'm gonna go for TP3, right? I'm gonna go for TP3, all right? Because TP2 is just here, and then I know that the news could possibly push it lower, okay? And then the stop loss obviously is given by the trading system, just like that. And then just like that, guys, we've got a trade. We've got our trade in. Let's look at it on an empty chart. You see? That's what it would look like. So that's what we're targeting right now. Okay, we're hopping onto the trend. So the idea behind this is that we are trading the trend. Okay, we're hopping onto the trend, right? So we are anticipating a continuation of the trend, and obviously now when we are trading like this, okay, when we're trading like this, you know that when the market, what you need to get used to doing, guys, like you need to, let's make an example, right? Let's make an example so you guys can see. I got a phone call, guys. So let's say the market now, this is where we open up our sell. Let's say the market drops to this level, okay? What we need to get used to doing, guys, we need to manage our trades, okay? So now, let's say the market goes down from this sell to this point here. We need to shift our stop loss to underneath the entry price, right? So that if this market now decides to turn around and hit the stop loss or do whatever, if it continues to go down, it hits the take profit. If it turns around, it's going to hit the stop loss, right? So either way, we're in a profitable situation. So you need to um, you need to be able to do that so that you can manage your trades effectively. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right, so UK 100, that's what we have. We've got that trade on UK 100. We've got that trade on UK 100. We've got that trade on UK 100. Same thing on France 40, but I feel like I don't have to force that. Okay, and then silver as well. We've got a trade on the H4. I'm gonna go with a smaller lot size, guys, because of the potential retracement. I'm gonna go. Okay, after the retracement, I'm probably going to add another entry. Okay, I'm probably gonna add another entry because if I analyze the price action, you guys can see that okay, we are on a trend line. Okay, so the market is trending, right? But then at the same time, there's a supply level right here. Okay, so the market could come back down and retest that level. Okay, if you guys zoom in, you guys zoom in right there. There was a retest already, but there could be a second retest even of the trend line. Okay, so something like that. So you need to be aware. That's why I say knowledge is power as well when it comes to trading. All right, and then let's look at USD JPY, right? Let's look at USD JPY. Let's also open it on a naked chart just to show you guys something else. I can't even see. All right. So we're taking the signal on the H4 chart. If I zoom out, this is the H4 chart, guys, okay? It's always important to, also have a bird's eye view of what's happening. Okay, so now you guys can see that the USD JPY has been dropping, okay? A strong bearish presence here on the USD JPY, right? But there is a support level here because you can see the market came here and then went back up and then came back to the same level. It came back to the same level and it rejected that level, okay? So there could be a breakout to the bottom side, right? Based off of our trading signal, right? You guys see that we've got our trading signal. Because of the FOMC, there could be a trade to the bottom side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up that trade. It's underneath the 100 period moving average. It's and then because of the news, it's a sell signal. So I'm gonna target TP2, right? Because this is the H4 chart. So I wanna get more, guys. you know what I mean? So yeah, this is what the trade looks like. What I'm planning with this trade is I'm anticipating a breakout here, the breakout of this level, right? The breakout of this support level when the news event hits, right? So then now, when the news hits and we see that the market penetrates through that support level and comes back down to somewhere here, then we can shift the stop loss and just follow the market like that. I see what I'm saying.
She get money, her body tea, she's super thick.
Right. So yeah, I think those are trades that we can take, guys. So we got a trade on UK 100, France 40, s- silver, USD JPY. I think that's enough for today. We don't have to go crazy. I think that's what we got. All right. All right, guys. I'm done right now. All right, I'll share the trades on the Telegram, guys. So I'm done for now. Let's see, I'm done for now, guys. All right. Okay, I'm done, guys. So I'm gonna disconnect right now, and then I'll see you guys on the next stream.